It's day 4, fellow pagan pals, and I'm feeling much better. I had my green juice in the morning, pretty yummy. Check out the box below for the recipe. My mind is calm, my thoughts are clear, I'm not achy, and my journal entry is much more positive today. I even wrote myself a little haiku, which is below if you want to check it out. I thought I would share with you a way for you to bring serenity and calmness to your being wherever you go with an Enlightenment Mist Spray, so here we go. This is very easy to put together. You'll need a glass spray bottle. I'm using 1/2 ounce glass spray bottle I picked up at Whole Foods. Next, you'll need some essential oils. I'm adding 10 drops of peppermint oil to calm nerves, and I'm using 10 drops of tea tree oil, which is ideal for aura cleansing and mental clarity. You can add more or less drops if you'd like. Now, I know some of you are like, ew, tea tree oil, but I'm telling you, when these two mix together, that pungent odor dials way down and a crisp, refreshing scent is left behind. They're made for each other. It's definitely my favorite combo of EOs. Now for this next step, you can use an inexpensive brand of vodka, distilled water mixed with witch hazel. I mean, there are a lot of recipes out there, so I left out the water and I just used vodka for cleansing and witch hazel for inspiration. Fill the rest of your bottle with equal parts of both of these. It doesn't have to be precise. Then just reattach the lid and give it a good shake and you're done. You can jazz it up with a fancy label. Use it while you're out and about during the day. Just mist to help keep you focused during this journey. It also makes for a nice fabric freshener. If you're not already, subscribe now, become a pagan pal, like up this video, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5 of this 10-day spiritual cleansing journey. Bye!